In the heart of Hunter Industries Company lies a vital hub where precision meets perfection and innovation thrives. Welcome to our tool room, the beating heart of our operations. The tooling team uses state-of-the-art CNC machines to harness the power of innovation to craft precision molds that drive the future of manufacturing. We're searching for dedicated individuals to join our team. Individuals who are passionate about precision engineering, meticulous in their craftsmanship, and eager to contribute to our legacy of excellence. Here, you'll be a part of a dynamic team where collaboration is key and every contribution matters. Whether you're an experienced toolmaker or just starting your journey, there may be a place for you here. At our molding company, we invest in our people. With ongoing mentorship, training, and development opportunities, you'll have the chance to sharpen your skills, expand your knowledge, and grow professionally. Join us in the tool room, where precision, innovation, and opportunity converge. Together, let's shape the future of manufacturing. Apply at corporate.hunterindustries.com/careers.